Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about WordPress, the world's most popular website building platform used by millions of businesses, bloggers, and online stores. But why choose WordPress? Well, it's user-friendly, secure, and highly customizable for every type of business. In fact, more than 40% of all websites today are powered by WordPress, proving its reliability and strength. With WordPress, you get a fully responsive website that looks great on all devices. An SEO-friendly structure that helps you rank on Google, and access to thousands of plugins and themes that make your website unique. It's also cost-effective and easy to manage, so you can update your content anytime without any technical stress. So when do you need a WordPress website? Well, the time is now. Whether you're taking your business online for the first time, upgrading an outdated site, or launching a secure and fast e-commerce store, WordPress is the right choice for you. Small business owners, freelancers, institutes, online shops, and anyone who wants a strong online presence. This is where I can help you. I provide professional WordPress development services, including custom website design, speed optimization, SEO setup, and secure installation. I'll build you a website that not only looks great, but also helps you grow your business. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, contact me today and get your professional WordPress website. The link is in the description. Thank you and have a great day.